Hey, it's Preacher Tom Anderson, Streets of America Homeless Outreach Ministry, and On-Spot Video. I want to say thank you to my subscribers, my friends, not just subscribers, your friends. And I want to say thank you for being out there, for your great comments, for those of you that have donated. That is wonderful. We thank you from the bottom of our heart. Also, we thank you for just being out there and being supportive to the ministry. Also, I want to thank you for those that have donated financially. Thank you so much. And thank you for the prayers. The prayers are wonderful because that comes from the power of God that turns the wheel. The donations grease the wheel, but the power comes from prayer. And I thank you for that. Preacher Tom Anderson, Streets of America Homeless Outreach Ministry, On-Spot Video. Thank you again, and God bless. What is going on, Terry? Sounds like you got a friend in there. Sounds like you got a friend in there. Well, that ain't no good.
Yeah, she just kind of passes through every once in a while. And
I just saw a guy leave on a bicycle. Some fella on a bicycle, long hair.
That might have been Danny Buddy. You ain't never seen him?
Joey?
Joey.
Yeah, he lives over there.
Yeah, I know, but that could have been Joey.
Okay. I didn't see his face. I just saw him riding off on the thing. So that means Danny's here.
Yeah, let me go over there and check that back there. Hold on. Cold water?
I got it. Just...
Yeah, I'm dying for some water.
Change it around a little bit where I can put my tray up there out of the way, so I don't have to.
Okay.
Why you make it so hot, Terry?
Man, couldn't be. It's not me, trust me.
You want me to start off with the water?
I'm back there sweating it out right now.
Water, quench your thirst.
Yeah.
Then I've got some teas and stuff like that. So.
I'll be right back.
Hey Terry, I've got some. I'm serving some chili mac. You want some of that cheese on top, some of that Korean, some of that like we use for the chips. I got the jalapeno and then I got the mild cheddar. Which one you want? Must have smelled the food. Get on.
Oh, you got the big Hawaiian rolls.
Well, I have to get the big packs. If I don't, I don't know if I'm gonna get out there to the waterfront or not because they got the blessing of the fleet and all that stuff today.
Yeah.
So,
it's so damn hot, man.
Why you make it so hot?
I had nothing to do with it. Talk to your father.
No, come on now.
Lay your chair.
You wanna? Oh, don't drop it. And I've got some
Hot sauce.
I got some hot sauce. Chili mac.
Oh, okay.
I made chili mac, and I've got some
String beans.
jalapeno cheese to go on top of it if you want some, or some mild cheddar cheese. And I've got some green beans and corn and sweet rolls.
Oh, he got corn today. Yeah, I want corn. Whole pack of cookies.
This is the only pack I got, so I'm limited on how many cookies I can give out today. Normally, I just load your plate up. Where is he at?
Who? Terry?
Terry, I think he went
He went to get his chair.
Oh, okay.
And maybe he just decided to stay back there.
Well, I'll give those to him when he gets there.
Somebody was asking about me, and I gotta go figure out who we were talking about.
All right.
Chili mac. I ain't complaining. You should be in line, right?
Yeah, I make it with just getting a big old thing of Hormel chili, and then add the macaroni into it.
Yeah.
And so it does pretty good. Then I add some.
I'm gonna try just a little bit of that jalapeno.
You want just a little bit of jalapeno?
They got jalapeno cheese.
I got that, and I got mild cheddar over here too.
Yeah, you said that. But I want the jalapeno.
No jerk.
I got a jar of jalapenos.
You want right on top?
the jar.
Here for you too, man.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna put any more now on there because I'm not sure if it'll.
Terry,
It's not really hot. I'll be honest with you. I tried some of it. It's not really that hot.
Things get hotter. Hey, go Terry. He got some.
That's how I was just telling him.
Oh.
I had some cookies.
Terry
And,
turned up no cookies.
Sweet.
Turn it down, no
Sweet.
cookies.
Yeah. Let me get this. I'm gonna get this plate here done, and then I'm gonna go over here and get if y'all want a tea.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those things are good.
You got
All
your
right,
good
oh,
haircut.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah. It got too hot for that long stuff, man.
I know that feeling. I used to have long hair many years ago.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Long time ago.
Yeah. I cut mine with a pair of scissors. That was hot. I didn't even get that off. I wanted to cut the beard, but I just hate to let it go.
Yeah.
You look different. I ain't seen you without that.
Now I'm doing it. No.
What?
You got them good rolls too.
And they big too.
Doug,
What?
been missing you, Doug.
Yeah,
You
man.
coming out here and you've been going over there to Publix up in that air conditioning.
Feels freaking
How
hot
did the
out.
preacher know that?
About
Yeah,
fall.
crazy thing about the fall. I gotta. Yeah, maybe that'll work.
Now, then they fall
Hey,
all
don't,
over.
hey, don't worry.
Cats and raccoons will be
ain't gonna let them. We ain't gonna let them hit the
Yeah,
ground.
I ain't let him hit the ground. Be fine. All right, got that.
Man, bro, best there is.
Who gets this one here? Who's the next one?
Yeah.
All right, let me get you. Yeah, I'm fixing to give you some. You said you didn't like
Get some
cookies.
Cookies, come on now.
You said you didn't like cookies.
At least I eat mine.
You said to give you heartburn.
No, that's the oatmeal. Not oatmeal, but
Cookies. I get. Yeah, I only have one pack of cookies, so other than that, I'd have just loaded
Oh,
them
you
up.
good, man? You know how it is. Anything's better than nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Well, I hadn't had any donations coming in. I've been not able to get as much as I'd want
Lasagna was
to.
good last weekend.
Yeah, somebody missed out on that, didn't they?
On that.
Okay. Oh, I said I was gonna get y'all. Let me get y'all. Y'all want water, tea?
All the above.
I'll start you with the water. You want a green or a peach? Green?
I want a peach, Doctor.
Sir?
Maybe a peach.
Peach? How about you, Danny? What you want?
Oh, the green one. The green is good.
Peach? Green? What do you want, Doug?
Peach.
Peach.
Oh yeah. Good stuff. Thank you, sir.
All right. Yeah, a lot of people like that peach and some sweet.
Yeah.
Well, all right.
I like the green tea too.
Your water.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Damn, I need a bag.
Did you get a water? Okay, I'll give you none.
Let me get a bag, please.
Did you get a water?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Let me get a bag, please, sir.
You can. Oh, I hope I brought enough bags. I knew there was something I was forgetting.
Thank you.
Let me load in here. Got some. Yeah, I got some bags in here. I try to keep the boxes loaded back there with those bags. Every time I go grocery shopping, I save them. All right. Yeah, well, there's no cheese in the chili mac. That's all pasta, but yeah, how is it too hot?
No, it's
All
not
right.
hot at all.
Now I've got some Parmesan here too, and I've got some Louisiana hot sauce. I got some Tony's Chattarides.
The Parmesan. I hate to cut line. Well, y'all heard me over the smacking.
Tell me how much you want.
Yeah, that's good. That cheese is thick. I got the jalapeno cheese for those who want to know.
Hey, Joey's over there saying,
Yeah. So I figured I'd be next in line so I can run back
Go
over
ahead.
there.
Go ahead and get your plate, man.
Yeah, I
Ain't
can
no rush. Yeah, me too.
What was that?
I need some socks and t-shirts too.
I don't have any of that in there.
Toilet paper?
I got toilet paper, but I didn't. The shirts and stuff like that. I just. Well, I don't really have a whole lot left because like I said, I haven't had any donations coming in, and I used to get calls all the time by people saying, "Hey, I got clothes. Is there any way I can drop these off to you?" And then they'd drop off the clothes, and I couldn't use any of them. They'd be like painters' clothes that were just loaded with paint all over them and stuff like. I can't give that stuff away. Women's clothes, halter tops and stuff like that. I can't see you in that, Terry. I can't see you in that.
That was good.
Who's next? You want the jalapeno or the mild cheddar on it, or you want that on it? It doesn't
I'll
matter.
take the mild cheddar and a little bit of Parmesan if I could.
All right.
And raise up Mexican. I don't blame you, Danny. This should give me heartburn. Pardon my French.
It's probably gonna give me heartburn too, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat the hell out of it.
I'm talking about that.
Enjoy it.
Jalapeno.
Enjoy it.
You know, that give me gas.
Make sure I put the right lid back on
I'm
there.
glad the wind blows the other way.
All right.
Sitting back there and I was eating on jalapenos off the jar.
I'm glad I was sitting there the way of the wind too then that day.
They didn't start that night. All the next day. And that night. I eat no road.
Only like 10 of them.
Yeah.
What was you eating? What was you eating?
Jalapenos.
Oh, I like them jalapeno poppers and stuff.
Oh yeah.
Man.
Oh yeah, those are good too. Yeah.
I thought about making a bunch of those, and
Oh, they're good.
of course I'd have to buy them frozen. I don't know how to make those things.
No,
You got that last plate. I gave him. You got the last plate?
Yeah.
Did I? Okay, I want to make sure I put rolls in there. I'm getting
No, I
old.
got
I'm getting old and senile.
He said who got the last plate so far.
Mario got his. He done fired up.
back over there. Cut up the music.
Yeah, I hear it. Did George just leave on your bicycle or something?
He just left on his. I gotta get mine.
Yeah, when you say you saw somebody riding out with long hair, probably George.
Yeah, that was Joey. He had to run to his house right quick. He's probably back now, so I'm gonna go back over there right quick.
That's a sharp haircut. I like that.
Well, let me know whenever you need one. I can get you.
Yeah, I got a brand new
I
pair
got
of
a barber, believe me.
clippers. Hey, I got one just like it, bro.
Longer hair than it is up there.
Yeah, it's okay.
But
I'm
that's,
gonna let this grow. You should see.
yeah, it makes you hot around there.
No, it don't.
Nope. Terry, did you need something else? Am I missing
No,
something with
I'm
you?
good. I'm good.
Oh, hey, I didn't. Did you want a tangerine?
There you go.
Oh,
I want one.
sorry about that. I get this fruit and I want to bring fruit out.
Terry.
I gave Terry one. But you don't like tangerine?
Sure, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I had given him one when I gave him his plate earlier.
You know they really like tomatoes.
That's right.
Well, I'd like to have some nice big fresh tomatoes and bring them out here
Yeah.
And-
yeah.
and
I
take
eat them like apple.
and cut them fresh.
You make a sandwich.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mayonnaise, tomato, salt, pepper.
Yep.
2 slices of bread.
Oh yeah, I love tomato sandwich.
Damn right.
I love put a little bacon on there too.
Yeah, if you got
Nah, no, it's a deal. But I got
it. Without the lettuce.
It is, but it's still good. Oh, do I need to make her plate?
Who is that? Oh, Terry got him a girl.
All right, Doug, let me get you fixed up here real quick.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm surprised you ain't up there Publix.
Nah. Take a break once in a while.
How you doing?
That's good.
Here you left.
Do you want any of this cheese on it?
Oh yeah. What you got?
I got the jalapeno and the mild cheddar.
Let me get the mild cheddar. Yeah, definitely. Put plenty.
Oh, it seemed like oh, you know what? Danny said something about he wanted some of that on
Yeah,
there
he
too.
did.
I feel bad that I didn't put that on
He
there.
did?
Did he get some?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm glad he did because I totally forgot.
Yeah, put me a little bit more on there, man, please.
You like that cheese?
You ain't hungry?
Oh, yeah. Who?
You eat your stuff last night?
Still got sauce
Ain't nothing like cornbread with
I like the corn.
You like that?
Sir. Yes, sir. I'll mix it in with my food.
Okay.
Yeah, it didn't work out.
It don't smell so good.
Well, I slaved over a hot stove cooking that.
Yeah, you did.
I did. My wife ain't in town, so I'm the one doing that cooking.
Oh, no doubt.
And yeah, I got up early and got all this done.
I appreciate it, Pastor.
I did. It's because I love you guys. I know try to do something for you. And
Yes, heavy.
let me get you. You want some cookies too, right?
Yes, sir.
Where's all my little things are going? I just have to use the bigger bowls. Ooh, I ain't using that one. That's the dirty one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Got him. Got him. Here you go, Doug.
Let me get some silverware too.
Oh, well, they can give you none?
No.
I'll give you some right now.
Okay.
All right. Oh, they gave you a tangerine. All right, you got that.
The tea is so good.
Thank you, Pastor.
You are more than welcome, Doug. You be careful. When you headed back to the air conditioning? Going back to the tent? Man, I tell you what, it gets hot now. Nice thing about serving down there at the waterfront is it's got that nice breeze coming across that water.
That's the last day of the water festival.
Yeah, I know it. That's normally the blessing of the fleet. That's the last day. How you doing?
Real.
Doing fine. Lord's been good to me. I got no complaints about it.
Oh, I can't take that and
Terry, you
we got a bag.
I do. Here, let me get that for you.
You got something to drink in it?
I do. Hang on just a second, I'll get it for you.
Okay. Yeah, I know it was good. That's what I want. That's a peach, Georgia peach, drink.
Oh, you want a peach tea?
Let me do that, please, man.
Okay, hold on to that there. Let me
That was the put a tent back here. I gotta clean all that shit up.
That's got some cookies in it. Get you another one.
Thank you.
And what else do I got here? That's it. Now on top of that, now that's chili mac. Did you want some?
Okay.
Did you want some mild cheddar cheese on top of that?
Yeah.
Did you? Okay. Let me do that because you weren't here and I wasn't able to ask you.
How you been? Yeah, bro. Don't get bigger. 209. Okay. I lose weight or something. Shit, I was down on Who went to Dan? Who was that? You use that quick D? Nah, I'm 91, 139. Yeah, I lost 30 pounds.
There you go. Now I'm gonna get you something to drink. Let me cover this stuff up here.
I get something to drink.
I'm gonna get you something. I got to go over here and get it.
But, I was cracking water every night. I was in there all night, daily. What is they building right there?
They're building what?
A low income apartment complex.
Oh, okay. I thought you said 84 lumber. And I said,
84 units.
okay, I thought you said 84 lumber. I went, they tried to build one of those already. They need exactly right. Exactly right. I've been trying to do that for years, but nobody.
That's what they need.
Well, I've been trying to do it for years, but here's the problem. Here's the problem: is the county don't want it. Do you know what happened?
Elderly, cause
You know why they don't want it? Because this is what I figured out is that if you build a shelter here, it will attract more homeless people because they will come. I get calls all the time because they got me listed in Google as a shelter. I'm not a shelter, and I'm constantly having to tell people that I don't have it because they're calling me from all over the country wanting to come here if I had a shelter.
Yeah.
So they're not willing to come out here and hack it out in the woods. They want a shelter. They want someone to get into. And I believe that the county and the city don't want that.
That bring down the property.
Well, it brings down that, and they feel it's going to bring in
Y'all
more
don't
trouble,
understand,
more drugs, and all that stuff. So I don't know. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Oops, excuse me. Let me dry my hands off here real quick. And oh, didn't Doug say he needed?
Down my way past it. Where I'm from? Where I'm from, they got like several shelters.
Oh yeah, there's shelters everywhere.
Out of there now, you know.
Yeah, I mean,
You trust me, they
Well-
be used up all the time.
well, I've been wanting to build one. I've been wanting. It's been for years, and I've tried to get people to donate to it, and they won't do it. You get just a few dollars here and a few dollars there, and I spin right around and buy food with it because
Yeah, it ain't coming.
I ain't letting the money sit in the bank when there's people that need help. And so, you know, I can't give out vouchers and stuff like that, and I can't give out money. But I can come out here and get you something to eat, get you to another day. You know, and when I have tents, I give out tents. When I have sleeping bags, I give out sleeping bags. Those type of things. But you and your BB gun. You did say you needed a roll.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Terry, did you need something?
Throw me one of those, what you just passed.
Oh, I'll take one of those.
Yeah, I take one.
Yeah. And I thought Doug needed a roll when he took off. Well, I don't pastor a church anywhere. These are basically my congregation when I come out here. And I used to pastor in New York years ago for a couple. Yeah, I preach everywhere. You know, I have preached in the churches. I have done revival meetings. I used to have a tent. All that stuff. Was on the road for 10 years, traveling around, coming back in town, and all that stuff, and doing that as well as the homeless outreach. So I've been busy. I ain't sitting idle. I'm trying to do something. And my whole thing since I started out has been public ministry, out trying to help people. So anyway, somebody's got to do it. Somebody's got to do it. All right, how's everybody sitting? Good? I got more people to go to. Sir?
Who's the person in picture?
Nobody. No, actually it was a, oh, what'd you say?
I was asking her if she got the tea.
She did. I gave her tea and water. That was a picture. It didn't look like this. I actually took and photoshopped it.
Yeah.
And I put the sign in here. And so I photoshopped
Anonymous?
it. I basically, well, it was free. It was somebody just posted something free that you could use, but I didn't use it like it was. So I went in and did a lot of changes on it. So it would be original. It would be mine and original. And so that way, somebody doesn't go, hey man, that's my picture, man. What are you doing putting that on there?
I'm gonna sue you.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get nothing. You can't get blood out of a turnip. So. But anyways, but I thought that would be good to put on there. See, because I used to do Savannah, Atlanta, Charleston, the homeless, and that's a lot of that's right there is a lot of what you saw and stuff. Especially if you go down on Wild Horse Road and all that down in the district of Atlanta, back in that section, that was some tough area. And I had a lot of Muslims coming up, and you know, for a preacher and Muslims, and we kind of don't see eye and eye, but we do when it came to help and food and stuff like that. As far as those other things, we kind of left those alone because he's not going to agree with me and I'm not going to agree with him. But we do agree with one thing: let's help somebody. So, and that's what it was about.
I knew this Muslim named Omar.
But
he said, "Yeah, I'm big dude, like 6'5", 350 pounds." He was eating pork chops. Listen here, brothers. God said eat. I'm hungry. I'm eating these pork chops.
Yeah.
James.
I'm Tom, Preacher Tom. Everybody knows me as Preacher Tom.
We call you Pastor.
Yeah. And but yeah, in Savannah, back behind the horse stables and the old cane fields and stuff. Yeah, man, I'm all out in those places. I mean, there's hundreds of people out there.
Under the bridge.
Even under the bridge, Charleston. Charleston had Tent City all down along under the bridge. I couldn't cover everybody. I just couldn't. I had a big old white dually, but I took lots and lots of stuff and just gave it out. That's all I could do. You can't really just hit one person and try to get all their needs. It's just no way. A lot of times you just have to. I took the plastic containers and take them out, take the lid off, and say, y'all go through it.
Around 2 o'clock, so you'll be able to get something to eat.
Oh yeah, if they're out.
I've been waiting on that water.
Yeah, I'm always. Yeah. Oh, let me give you. Waiting on the water. here. Yeah, them fellas need to come clean that up.
It probably won't ever get cleaned up.
So there's a couple more cold ones in there. So there's some warm ones in there, but there's a couple more cold ones in there as well. Alright, I think that's got it. Yep. I'm going to head on out. I got to go down here. I got to go down to this area down here, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 8. There's always new people. I never know. So whenever I fix the food, I never know how much I got. And then sometimes, even like when I did the lasagna stuff last week, I know I couldn't go down to the waterfront, but I couldn't have it anyways because I ran out of food.
What?
That's why, I mean, y'all are the first one, so when I'm dishing out the food, I'm like, so how much? Yeah. So I want to give you a lot. Yeah. But then I'm like, wow, man.
Too much.
But what's happening is I'm getting more people, and it's making it a little tougher. But I said the waterfront, I do them last because they used to have, they actually had somebody going out there feeding them. Right. And nobody comes out here to y'all. Do they?
Nope, other than you.
All right. But other than that, Terry, I just don't know. But
yeah, like I said, though, we really appreciate you coming. You see them guys were waiting on you today now. They were waiting on you today.
They hungry.
Yeah.
And then Danny was wanting me to get his so he can go over there to Joey's.
Yeah, man. Danny hardly ever, I mean, Danny, he's hardly ever here. He's hardly ever here now. Danny and his parents, and they, he's supposedly doing a little work for him once in a while, once every couple of days or so, I guess. Until the rain dropped in.
I think it's going to rain.
Yeah, it's kind of starting to rain.
Yeah.
Yeah, but anyway, man, we appreciate you. And obviously the guys were hungry today.
Yeah. Well, I also want them to understand too, and even though I work video cameras and stuff like that, I'm not trying to exploit them guys or hurt them or anything. These churches know that. See, I've been all the food I'm pulling out of my own pocket because the churches donate every month. But I'll spend $100 coming out in food just out here. Don't seem like much, but see there, I knew it was going to start raining.
Yeah, I'm glad it did, bro.
I can handle that.
Go to sleep and having a real hard time, though.
Yeah. That made me go see.
Yeah, I was having a real hard time.
That might slow that water festival down a little bit.
Yeah.
But I don't know. They'll get drunk out there. They won't care.
Yeah, they won't care.
They're like, man, I'm really sweating bad because I feel like it's coming from up here. Crazy. Oh.
Yeah, man. Appreciate you.
You be good, Terry.
I told him she was back there.
Were you set, Terry? Is there anything else you need?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good. Good, man. Thanks, man.
All right. You don't need no triple antibiotic cream or nothing like that, or?
Well, I mean.
Because I think that one thing I did put in here, I put a crate in here, and I think it's got some medical stuff in it. That I just put it in here for this to hold these waters, but antibiotic pain ointment.
Yeah, man. Okay.
Well, I don't have any BC powders. Yeah, I don't have any BC powders. I don't have any clothes or anything like that, so I didn't bring any of that stuff.
Yeah, that's all right, man.
But I got this crate here to put these waters in, and I remember I saw that antibiotic cream stuff. Yep. And let's see what else. Yeah, it's gonna rain. Let it rain. Makes you feel better.
Yeah.
Only problem is when that hot pavement starts steaming up and all that stuff, it just makes me feel like a lobster.
Yeah.
So, anyways, I'm out of here, fellas. I got to go down here. I got several more to feed. I'm gonna ride them. All around this world I've traveled, and through it all I've come to find tides of bind can come unravel. I've had to face some lonely times, but when I'm tired and feeling low, oh, what a comfort that is to know that across the miles there's someone praying for me. Across the miles there's someone on their knees, lifting my name to the Lord above. In joy and pain I can feel the love and see you smile across the miles. Life can be so complicated, walking through it on your own. And kindred hearts are separated. It gives love a chance to grow. And even though I am so far away, I am reminded every day that across the miles there's someone praying for me. Across the miles there's someone on their knees, lifting my name to the Lord above. In joy and pain I can feel the love and see you smile across the miles.